is Kishore and welcome back to KishoreLytics. Today we are going to learn something exciting. Today we are going to build a graphs using the Python. Right? Even if you do not know about the graph, we will build a graph step by step together. So open your code editor, grab your coffee, let's learn together. So sit back and relax. Let's get into the video. Yes guys, in this video we are going to see a matplotlib. It's a visualization library and it's a part of the Python crash course. So far we are conducting a Python crash course. You don't need to pay a single money for me. I'm just giving all the free course what I have learned so far. I just want to give it for free. So in this video we are going to see about a matplotlib. So in the later videos we are going to see about the seaborn. So what is mean with the matplotlib? I just come with an interesting story. Basically every time I just come with an interesting story that I consider you as a baby and I explain this concepts like you are a baby. I relate these concepts with like a story and also this like. So what is meaning the matplotlib? Matplotlib is a set of crayons. It's for the Python. So basically we are continuing the Python crash course, right? So it's also a library. Matplotlib is a set of crayons for Python. It helps like you draw pictures. It's like called the plots, charts, anything to show numbers in a nice way. So why we want to show a charts instead of numbers, right? When you see the lot of numbers, your mind got stuck. You don't need to able to take any decisions. So John D. Hunter, the founder, the matplotlib founder, John D. Hunter, remember it. When your interviewer asks about it, when the interviewer asks about the John D. Hunter, you can able to see the, you can able to tell who is the who finds the matplotlib means John D. Hunter. Okay, fine. Matplotlib is like a set of crayons. It's like a set of crayons. There are multiple plot charts. In this video, we are going to focus on the bar chart, box plot, Histogram, pie, violin, plot, scatter, stack plot, stem plot, step plot. Okay, these are the 10 charts, and I also saw the advanced version of the charts also. It's a matplotlib full course. Like it's like a mini course of the Python crash course. Okay, it's like a set of crayons. It helps like you to draw pictures. So to show the numbers in a nice way. Imagine you have the numbers. Okay, imagine let's imagine guys. Imagine you have the numbers like how many apples you eat each day. I want to find out how many apples I want to eat each day. So you can use the matplotlib. You can use the many visualizations. There are many visualizations that are available in the market, like Power BI, Tableau, and QLink also it's available, and Google's visualizations are available. But why to use the matplotlib means if you are explaining these numbers to the stakeholders, so they are the technical persons, and if you are explaining this numbers to your colleagues, then you can use the matplotlib. And when to use the table on Power BI means if you are using the numbers to the stakeholders, non-technical persons means then you can build the own chart in Tableau. The Tableau course is also available in my plan. So I just plan after the Python crash course. So imagine you have some numbers like how many numbers of apples I want to eat each day. You can use the matplotlib to draw a picture of that. So it is easy to use, easy, right? Why use matplotlib? Because pictures are easier to understand than numbers. So our mind remembers the pictures than the numbers. So when we imagine that's a tree, we can imagine it, right? It's like in a green color and the stems are in the brown color. It's like in the memory. So we don't able to remember. When so many persons ask about tree means we are imagining like a tree. It's like a tree. It's in a green color. So that's like why use matplotlib means because pictures are easy to understand. It's like showing your homework with a drawing. It's like a showing. I'm just saying, writing a script like it's like a showing your number with a drawing. You can see the patterns like, oh, I have more than apples on Wednesday. Today I eat 5 apples. Tomorrow I eat 6 apples. Like this, you can see the patterns among these numbers. If you see the numbers, that's like the 7 numbers for each day. There are 4 weeks in a month, and then see there are lot of numbers. You can't able to visualize it. Right, when you visualize using the matplotlib, you can able to like I ate more apples than Wednesday. I ate more apples on Thursday. Just like that. How to think about it? I just want to tell how to think about it. Okay, you can talk to the Python. It's already in every library are available in the Python. Python is the most powerful language for data scientists and data analysts and data software engineering, everything. Python is a powerful language. You can talk to the Python and say, hey Python, please draw this for me. Please draw this for me. And Python is the matplotlib. There are many visualization library are available in the Python like Plotly, matplotlib, Seaborn, and many things. Streamlit also a visualization tool, but matplotlib is a older version. It's a low-level graphing plotting library. So and it was founded by the John D. Hunter. Remember it, guys. Hey Python, please draw this for me. And Python uses the matplotlib. It can use the Seaborn also, but if you want a low-level graph, means the Python uses the matplotlib. The first step, get the toolbox. So if you are the beginner, if you don't have the Python installed, please make sure to install. I already put this video. It was in the first video. So the first step, before you can draw, you can import the drawing tool, right? You can get the sketches from the shop. You can take necessary things. Requirements of this tool is that making the note paper, drawing some sketches. So that like import matplotlib.pyplot. It's like a framework from the plotly. So we are importing import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. This is like a opening your crayon box. This is like a opening your crayon box. We are opening our crayon box and taking the one this when that I take this crayon is like a bar plot. When I take another crayons, it's like a line chart. Just like it's this like a opening your crayon box. Plot is your nickname. Plot is your like a nickname for the drawing tool. I just explaining. I just imagine be able to mingle with this concept. Like let's draw a single line. I'm able to show the output in the Jupyter notebook also. Just imagine. So let's try a simple line chart. Like I just creating a days. I just x is equal to days. Let's have some numbers and x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the first day I eat 2 apples. In the second day I eat 4 apples. In third day I eat 6 apples. Wait for a minute. Yes guys, sorry for the interruption, and we are plotting a simple line. Like as taking a x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are the considering these are the days, and y is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Apples you can eat. In the first day I ate 2 apples, in the second day I ate 4 apples, and the third day I eat 6 apples, in the fourth day I ate 8 apples. Now I want to see the numbers in the visuals. So I am creating the plt.plot. So I just tell afterwards a plt. Just now I'm just creating a simple plot for showing the intro. Plt.plot of x comma y I'm just giving, and just I want to the title right, plt.title. These are available in the matplotlib library before we are initializing, right? Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Plt.plot of x comma y. Plt.title of apples I ate. And I want to give the x labels. It's in the x-axis, it's in the y-axis. X-axis, I want to give the apples I ate. This is the day 8. And is the y label. I want to give the apples. So I want to show plt.show. So for I just want to show you a visuals in the Jupyter notebook. So open your command prompt, type cmd, and open the Jupyter. Type the command called Jupyter notebook. I just enter into my Jupyter notebook. So I'm just first of all I'm importing import. Sorry for this. So import matplotlib pyplot as plt. So far I'm just copy pasting this code. So I am able to understand, guys. I explained this code in the previous itself. X is equal to I'm just kidding. In the first day I eat 2 apples. In the second day I eat 4 apples. In the third day I ate 6 apples. In the fourth day I ate 8 apples. So these are the days and these are the apples I ate. So I just cancel it. Now you want to tell the Python I want to plot it, right? plt.plot of x comma y and plt.title apples I ate. So wait for a minute. Yeah, my friend. Sorry guys. I just thumbnail for git video and I'm just recording for another video in the same week itself. Okay. So far I'm just creating the plt.titles apples I ate. So this is a x-axis x label. X-axis means it's a x label. I want to give that like a day, and plt.y label it's a apples. Apples plt.show. I'm just showing. Likewise, I'm just running the code. Wait for a few minutes. It shows running. If you want to see this whether it's running or not, you can see the star symbol in the Jupyter notebook. So see the apples I ate. These are the days and these are the apples. I tell right. These are plt.x label is equal to day. Plt.y label is equal to apples. Plt.show. I want to show it. Okay, fine. Apples I ate. So in the first day I eat 2 apples. In the second day I eat 4 apples. Likewise, we want to plot So I just show afterwards what are the plots are available in that. In this video we are seeing the 10 charts, and these are the most available charts. Okay, so let's get in the video. Guys, in this session we are discussing about the bar chart, and it is the first chart we are seeing in the matplotlib. Already we are seeing the demo of this matplotlib, how the matplotlib works and what is meant by the matplotlib. I just explained it within a small story, and like I'm thinking like you are a baby. Now in this session we are discussing about the bar chart. So what is meant by the bar chart? A bar chart is like a stacking toy blocks. Each block shows a number. It's like this number. It helps you compare things. I just show what are the bar chart in the theoretical and practical part. So it helps you compare things easily. It's like when which number is large and which number is low. Likewise, I just show examples, the beautiful examples like a story like apples, bananas, grapes, like that. So a bar chart is like a stacking toy blocks. Each block shows a numbers. Each block it shows a numbers. Okay, each block it shows a numbers. The taller block is the bigger number. The smaller block it shows a smaller number. It helps you to things easily, like which fruit did I eat most, which fruit I want to eat most. Okay, like example I just want to show bar chart example. This is a bar chart. I just explained different fruits this week. Okay, apple I eat 4 and 7, banana 7, and there are grapes are 3. We will draw that, like we will code it. So I just want to show it in the, wait a minute. Yeah, just type it manually. So far I'm just creating. Likewise, this like I'm just entering into it. Sorry, wait a minute. Okay, just enter into it. Likewise, what happened to this? Okay, fine. Like I'm just entering into it. First of all, we want to import it. So we want to import the matplotlib. Import matplotlib dot pyplot as PLT. PLT is nothing but the aliases. We can give the aliases as in the streamlet. Import streamlet as ST. Likewise, import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Likewise, we are giving the aliases. We can able to class PLT.plot. If we doesn't give the PLT, we want to call both matplotlib.pyplot. We want to give that. So we want to avoid it like that. Means we want to give the aliases matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. So okay, fine. I'm just creating the fruits. Just container. It's a list. It's a yeah. You can able to the list. Continuous memory allocation. So far I'm eating the. I just copy this code. I don't want to take much time of you guys. I just copying it and just pasting it here. And yeah, I take it maximum button. I just want to show. Okay, and I want to count it, right? Its count is 4 7, which I want. My requirement is that which fruit has higher count. Okay, now what I'm gonna do that I'm just copying plt.plot plt.bar, that means bar plot. Plt.bar, it's a, remember this word plt.bar means which comes a bar plot, fruits comma x and it's a count. Okay, we are giving it, and afterwards I want to show, we want to give the title. We are giving the title and x label. Plt.title fruits I ate, and plt.x label fruits, it's the fruits, and plt.y label means how many. I just want to show plt dot labels. I just entering it and pasting it here. Okay, now what I'm gonna do that showing the picture. I just want to show to you. So I just want to show the drawing. So paste it here. That's all. I want to explain this code, right? Import, we are importing the matplotlib.pyplot at PLT, and we are giving the fruits. What are the fruits I have in the bag, in my bag? Like I have the apples, bananas, and grapes. So I have the count of it. So I want to see the picture in it. So there are 4 apples in my bag, and there are 7 bananas in my bag. I think I like most of the bananas. I think 7 bananas are available in my bag, and grapes. There are 3 grapes in my bag. There are counts also available. It's in the fruits are x-axis, and how many is the y-axis. We are giving the plotting the bar plot. You want to see which fruit has higher count. So only plt.plot. The use case of the bar plot is also like that. Plt.title fruits I ate, and plt.x label fruits, and plt.y label is equal to how many. So I just want to show you, just printing it. See, yeah, apples. Now we can able to see. If you see the numbers, you can't collapse. Which fruit has higher count. So when you see the using the visuals, we can able to see the banana is higher count in my bag. It's a 7. It is 7. Likewise, apples, bananas, grapes. There are 7 bananas in my bag and 4 apples in my bag and 4 grapes in my bag. 4 grape means it's a bunch of 4 bunch. So not a 4 grapes, it means a very less count compared to the apples and bananas. Likewise. Okay. Now I can able to understand what is mean with the bar plot. I just explained all of the things beautifully. I hope everything goes well. Just follow my code, and I want to show again. So and what just happened, plt.bar is equal to draw, it's drawing a bars, right? And apples, bananas, grapes, labels on the bottom, and 47 is out all the bars, and plt.show, I just explained, tada, show it, right? So bonus, yeah, I'm not the big fan of blue color. I'm just showing it. Okay, fine. I'm not big fan of the blue color, so I just want to show the color. But Python also allows it. Yeah, we can able to change the colors. If for apples, I want the red color. For bananas, I want the yellow color. For purple, we want the purple color. But it's like a color of the fruits. So I just want to give the colors to the color plot, so that colors equal to red, yellow, purple. What are in the first? It is a hierarchy order. When the apple is red, right? So I want to get the red color. So apple is banana is yellow. So I want to give the yellow color. So the grapes is also a purple color. So I want to give the purple color. PLT dot bar of fruits counts. This is the x-axis. It's a y-axis. I just want to give the color. Color COLOR. Just understand the spelling of. Note down the spelling of it. COLOR is equal to colors. Yes, right. Okay, fine. Now I'm just showing what are the possibilities we can able to do within the chart. So I just copy all of this code. I explain like base one by one, like line by line. I will explain everything. It will be possible in the matplotlib. So I just import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. I'm just giving the fruits, apples, bananas, grapes. There are in my bags, right? Counts. I want to give the counts. There are 4 apples in my bag, 7 bananas in my bag, and 3 grapes are in my bag. I just want the colors. Similarly, it's linking to the colors. I just want like mingling the concept into the story. Just like I want to mingle the colors. It's apple, it's in the red color. The banana is in the yellow color. The grapes in the purple color. Likewise, fruits is equal to apple, bananas, grapes, and counts is equal to 4, 7, 3, and colors is equal to red, yellow, purple. Okay, are you able to continue, guys? And I just want to plot it. plt.plot. I just giving the x-axis, y-axis, colors is equal to colors. So I'm just giving the colors. This parameter I'm giving to the arguments. Sorry, color is equal to colors. I just want to edge color. I just want to show. First of all, I want to write it. Yeah. See, I just want to show the edge color. Edge color is the this. Edge color is a black color showing, right? That's the edge color is equal to black, and width between them is a 0.6. Width means the edge color width is equal to 0.6. It's like we are able to increase the weight. So I just want to show the title, add the chart title and X label. It's a very important thing. It's a basic thing also. So plt.title fruits I ate in this week, and I want the font size is equal to 16. We are giving the we can able to give the font size. Font size is equal to 16 and font weight is equal to bold. We can able to give the italic, anything, any style you want it. Just I just want to show how the parameters are looked like. plt.title fruits I ate in this week, and font I'm just giving the font size is equal to 16. Font weight is equal to bold, and I want to give the plt.x label. Yeah, see the x label is equal to fruit. Okay, plt.x label, and the font size is equal to 12. We can able to increase the font, we can able to decrease the font, whatever we want it, you can able to do it. You can play with the numbers. So plt.y label is equal to quantity is comma font size is equal to 12. So now my requirement is that, see, looks there are 4 apples in my bag, there are 7 bananas in my bag, there are 3 grapes in my bag. So I just want to show the numbers in the above the bar. There are 4 apples, 7 bananas, 3 grapes. I just want to show. So how can we do that? Using the for loop only we can able to do that. So for I in length of fruits, I just giving the fruits of length of the fruits. It's iterated through the length of the fruits. The length of the fruits is 3, and just giving it for I in range of length of the fruits. I'm just giving that for I in range of length of the fruits. plt.text. I just want to the text, right? plt. We can able to plt.bar so far we are discussing about the plt.bar, plt.plot, plt.text, and giving the plt.title, plt.x label, plt.y label. Plt.text of fruits is equal to fruits of I. What are the fruits? And giving the fruits of I, giving means fruits of I, and I want to count it, counts of I plus 0.1. 0.1 means we don't want the decimals, right? So only we are giving the count of I plus 0.1, and string of counts of I, R is equal to center means H is equal to horizontal alignment. It's equal to, we have want it in the center alignment. I don't want in the right, I don't want in the left, I just want it in the center, horizontal alignment. That's like a H, and font size is equal to 10. I'm just giving the font size is equal to 10. Just memorize this code. This code will help in any other interviews. Able to ask for I in range of len of fruits plt.text. Just memorize. This will copy and the entire course only. Okay. For I in range of len of fruits and plt.text of fruits of I. I just want the fruits of I and I want the counts of I. So I just putting a counts of I plus 0.1 and string I want converting into the string. I am explicitly converting the numbers into the string. So only we want to give the font size. So the font size applicable only to the strings. Okay. So it's an optional mode. Yeah, I want to add space above the bars. Okay, I want to add the space above the bars. See in the most of the bar. See we see that there are the numbers only in between the 7. So I just don't want it. It's optional, but you can able to do that. plt.ylim of 0 max of count plus 2. It means the max of the count is 7. Yeah, max of the count is 7, but I want plus 2. plt.ylim. Remember it, guys. plt.ylim of 0, max of count plus 2. We are adding above space bars. So in the previous bar, it's like nothing. I just same in the color. It's not. See, when you see this bar, you can able to visualize many things in your mind. That with the we can able to relate with the fruits of the color. Likewise, so plt.ylim of 0, max of counts plus 2. 7 plus 2 9. Just like is coming, and I want to give the grid. Axis is equal to y, line size is equal to yeah. See this line, there are the blocks, right? It's like in the 4 color. It's the yellow color, the visible, the white color is not visible. The for purple color and red color, you can able to see the white grid. So only plt.grid and axis is equal to y, line size is equal to. I just want to this like if you want to put the star as well, you can able to put the O also. O means it's a 0. The dot are available. Alpha means the light grid. It's a transparency. The alpha is equal to, remember about the alpha, it's a transparency. Transparency is equal to alpha is equal to 0.5. I just want a tight layout. So okay, it's memorized. These are this are continue for all above other charts. So just memorize it. These are the options, and we can able to add many more options. It's available in the matplotlib documentation. You can able to verify it. So I just want to show. So that's like I'm just explaining. I think I explain all of this code line by line in very easy and simple manner. I just recalling and recollect it. So I'm just importing the matplotlib as PLT. I'm just giving the fruits are available in the apples, bananas, grapes, and I'm just counting 4, 7, 3. There are 4 apples, 4, 7 bananas, and 3 grapes. And my colors are red, yellow, purple. I'm just giving a PLT.bar. I'm just giving the X, Y, and colors is equal to color. Okay, edge color, I just found the edge color is equal to black, and the edge color black thickness is equal to 0.6. So again I want to add it, right? plt.title, I just want to add plt.title and plt.x label. It's a basic thing. You can able to see in the position itself. So I just want to print the numbers about the bars, so that I'm using that for I in range of len of fruits. I'm just printing the plt.text fruits of I, counts of I plus 0.1. Why I am giving it? I don't want in the decimal numbers, so I'm just giving that. I'm just converting the strings of I into just numbers into the strings. So we can able to fonts able to give the font size, and Achain is nothing but the horizontal centerment. I just want the space ylim above the bars. I just want the space, so I'm just giving the plt.ylim of 0 max of count. Max of count means the max of count is 7. 7 plus 2 it's 9. So only it's coming 9. When you able to see this, we can able to relate color 7. Okay, I think our plt.grid lines is see like this, like these are the lines, and plt.title. I'm just giving just adjusting the spacing between them. I just want to show just showing that the plt.show. I hope everything for this vertical horizontal plot are able to understand, right? Let's get into the horizontal bar plot and stacked bar plot. Yes guys, absolutely, we have just successfully completed the vertical bar plot. Now in this session we are discussing about the horizontal bar plot. In the next session we are discussing about the stacked bar plot. I just planned the hierarchy adder. I just want to give all the plots available that are available mostly used in the matplotlib. So in the available number in the horizontal bar plot, the bars go sideways instead of up and down. In this goes this like sideways. Think like it's like a toy blocks flat. Toy blocks are flat. So horizontal block, I just give the full example. I just explained in the single letter that changes the vertical bar plot to horizontal bar plot. So that just copy all of this code. I already coded all of this code. Just and I explained this concept this in this session only. Just creating. If you want all these notes are available in the GitHub repository. And if you have seen the previous video, we are discussed about the Git and GitHub. I just created the account, right? That account, Kishore22xy. That account, all the notes are available in the GitHub repository. And I just ping the notes to the description. Please make sure to download this and make sure you stop it. And if you want the handwritten notes, please ping me a mail. I am happy to share about the notes. So in the bar plot, there is one letter that everything is the same. The one letter that's a bar H. In the bar means we want the bar chart means it's a PLD dot bar. We want the horizontal bar means BAR dot H. The single letter that scans the entire horizontal vertical to horizontal. I'm just explaining all of this code again. Import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. I'm just giving the fruits is equal to apples, bananas, grapes. Counts is equal to 473 and colors is equal to red, yellow, purple. And just these are available already in my bag. I should explain again and again the same code just by memorizing and able to give the entire knowledge about the matplotlib. I just want to push the code in your mind. This is the static code. The words are changing by this only, right? PLD.plot, PLD.lines plot, that's like only changing, but all of these concepts are available as the static. The only thing is the dynamic is that creating the plot only. So okay, fine. BLD.bargach, that's the most important thing. BLD.bargach, fruits, counts. I'm just giving the color edges, edge color, black. I just want to show. Okay, see, now we are able to see that horizontal bar success, right? Yes, guys. PLD.bargach of fruits, counts, colors is equal to edge color is equal to black, height is equal to 0.6. I just want to give the titles. Fruits I ate this week, and I just want to give the X label. X label means it's this is the flattened part is the X labels. The horizontal vertical part is the Y labels. I hope everything will be understandable. PLD.title fruits I ate this week and giving the font size is equal to 16 and font weight is equal to bold. I just want to give the font size and PLD.x label and giving the quantity and PLD.y label fruits. We can able to give the font size also, and we can able to color it. Basically, it's in the black color. We can able to make change of it white color. You can play with it, and I just told right. I just want to see the numbers in above the bar. So just giving the far in range of again the same. Just memorize it. The far I in range of len of fruits and just giving the PLD.plot of text of counts of I 0.1, giving the fruits of I, strings of counts of I. Let's say VA. Now VA, we want the vertical alignment. Vertical alignment. Now I don't want in this place. I don't want in this place. I just want it in the 3 in the center. So vertical alignment is equal to black and just giving the font size is equal to 10. Font size the font size is equal to 10 and plotting it. So okay, I'm just giving the actually max count of I. This is sound 9. Yeah, the same. It's again happened in the vertical way. Sorry, it's in the horizontal way. So I was giving the PLD.x lim. I just want in the x lim, right? I just want to extend the x only, not to the y. So I'm just giving the PLD.x lim of 0, max of counts of plus 2. I was giving the grids to the axis equal to x and line change is equal to hyphen and alpha, and the transparency between them is equal to 0.5. And I add the spacing like PLD.tight layout, and I just was showing that PLD.show. I think I hope everything will be fine and everything will be goes well. I hope everything I just give it in a very easy and simple manner, right? They just explain this code, and I just want to the key function is the PLD.bargach. Bargach means horizontal. H means horizontal. Make note of it and practice along with me. Okay. I just want to give the summary. Horizontal bar plot is equal to bargach. Just remember it. In the interview, asked about the bar plot in the horizontal bar plot, vertical bar plot, difference between them. Horizontal bar plot in the vertical, horizontal vertical bar plot is the vertical, horizontal bar plot in the what's the difference between them? The one letter it's called the H. So text at the end of the bars use the PLT text. So just like the vertical, but X and Y are swapped. That's all. That's all of this video. And in this next session, we are discussing about the stacked bar chart. So let's go it. Yes, guys. Now we are moving into the advanced bar chart called the stacked bar chart. In this session, we are discussing about the stacked bar chart, and it's also a vertical stacked bar chart. So what is mean with the stacked bar chart, right? A stacked bar chart shows multiple values in a one bar. In a single bar itself, I want to show the multiple value means you can go with the multiple stacked bar chart. So a stacked bar chart shows with the multiple values in one bar. Each part is a different color, showing it what is made of, right? Imagine tracking how many fruits two kids ate. So I just want to see how many fruits does the two kids are ate. I just want to see the arrays. I just want to see them. If you consider anything, your friends, anything at all, I just consider mainly Alice and Bob. And Alice eats 3 apples and Bob eats 1 apple. And Alice eats 2 bananas and Bob eats 5 bananas. And Alice eats 4 grapes and Bob eats 2 grapes. You want to stack them, right? We will stack Alice and Bob counts based on the stack per fruit. Right. I'll just explain this code and in the Jupyter notebook and I will explain a single line. That's my policy. I want to explain all this code in the single line. I just tell about this entirely. So what I'm going to do that I just copy this code. I just afterwards I'm just giving the friendly baby explanation. So wait a minute. Yeah. I just copying it. I just go to this opening my Jupyter notebook in my kernel. I just opening new, clicking new and opening the Jupyter notebook kernel. If you want this notebook, if you want this all the handwritten notes, it's in written notes. And if you want the handwritten notes, ping me a mail and these notes will be available in the description box in my GitHub repository. The GitHub repository name is the Kishore, sorry, not Kishore 22xy. Fine. Yeah. Wait for a few minutes, guys. The local work can open. Wait for a few minutes. Yeah, it will be opened. Now, what I'm gonna do that, I just pasting this code. I just explain this code. First of all, I run this code. Let me run this code. See, the code is running. If you see this running, yeah, the bud. See, stacked bar chart. This how the stacked bar chart look like. I just explain this code. So first of all, we are importing the we are using the matplotlib. So we want to import it, right? We import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. And just writing the import matplotlib.pyplot and giving the analysis as a PLT. And just want to initialize the data. Fruits is equal to apples, bananas, grapes. And Alice counts. I want to initialize the Alice counts is equal to 3 to 4. Alice eats 3 apples, 2 bananas, 4 grapes. And Bob eats 1 apple, 5 bananas, 2 grapes. And I want to plot it, right? So I want to plot it. So I just giving the PLT.plot of fruits, Alice counts, and I'm just giving the label. Label is equal. Label means I just want to show the label of Alice. A label is equal to Alice and color is equal to. I just want to give the Alice color is equal to sky blue and edge color. So just in the previous session itself, the edge color is called the bars edge color. I just want to in the black, and then I import the bars for the Bob. So PLT.bar. I just same one the PLT.plot fruits Bob counts and Bob. I just giving the x-axis as fruits and giving the y-axis as the Bob counts and giving the bottom. It's mean the bottom is equal to Alice counts. Just see Alice counts. I just want the bottom in the Alice counts. Okay. So bottom is equal to Alice counts. Label is equal to Bob. Color. See Alice color is equal to Bob. Okay. Bottom means I don't know why it's happened. I just stacked on the top of the Alice. Yeah, I just want to put the Alice in the down bottom. I just want to keep the Bobs in the upperwards. So they're keeping the bottom is equal to Alice counts and color is equal to light green. I'm just giving the edge color. Edge color means this color and just giving the alpha is equal to you can able to play with the numbers. And I just initially PLT.title. I'm just giving the fruits eaten by Alice and Bob. I was giving the PLT.fruits eaten by Alice and Bob. Fine. So I'm just giving the font size is equal to 16. I was giving the font weight is equal to bold. So what happened? Yeah, I just change it. And PLT.available means this is available and total eaten. And everything similar to the bar chart and vertical chart. Everything is similar. PLT. Wait, sorry for the interruption. The table was shaking. So PLT.table fruits eaten by Alice and Bob. I'm just giving the 16 and bold and X label is equal to fruits and Y label is equal to total eaten, and PLT I just want the legend, right? Legend means this Alex and Bob color difference between Alex and Bob that shows as a legend. Noted, this is a new term that can be seen in the matplotlib. Everything will be same for I in range of len of fruits, everything. I just want the numbers in the above of this fruits, so I just giving the for I in range of len of fruits, and total is equal to Alex count of I plus Bob count of I, and PLT dot text I just giving the PLT everything similar to the vertical bar chart, horizontal bar chart, everything is similar. PLT dot text of fruits of I plus total plus 0.1 and string of total, h is equal to center and font size is equal to 10. Just giving it. I just want to make it the visuals as pretty much as much possible, so I just giving them PLT dot Violin. I just want to extend the bar, extend the line of the bar. So I just giving using I just want to extend the axis by Violin, right? Y axis. So I'm using a PLT dot Violin 0 comma max of I just giving a plus b for a comma b in the zip up. This is a new term because we are using the two accounts, right? So only we are using PLT dot max of a plus b. When we count this, first of all, let me I'm using a list comprehension, so that I just giving a for a comma b. Let me go to this, and here a and b. So it counts from Alex count and Bowers count, and it will make a plus of it, and afterwards it will be extended as much as possible. The maximum is 9. So that's all. And you can able to give the previous session also. Previous session we are discussing about the PLT dot Violin, right? That's also we can able to give that. And PLT dot grid. Grid means I want to give grid line. This is the grid line. I just want to give the axis equal to y and line sheet. I just you can able to play with the this like also give means just wait for a few minutes. It's just running. So you can able to see this running in this. Yeah, I think this is not possible. Grid. Okay, I will show it in the. I will show this in the scatter plot. Then next session we are discussing about another box plot. I just showed in the scatter plot. See, this line cell alpha. Alpha is the transparency. I just give the. I just want to add the space between them. So I'm using the PLT dot type plot. I just want to show to you, right? So PLT dot plot show. That's all. That's the basic intuition of the stacked bar chart. Now I hope everything will goes fine. Everything I will explain clearly. So I just PLT dot bar means draws alias part of the bar first. Bottom alias counts, it means bar starts from top of the alias. So only I just told right. I just want the alias part down. So I just want giving the alias count means Bob's bar start on the top. Start on the top of the alias, right? I just told in the video explanation of the code itself, like stacking Legos. So I just giving the I just giving the label. Label is equal to alias. Label is equal to bar means it creates a legend. Legend it will create, and optional, and it's a future code. Yeah, it will be optional, but we can able to have future code features and code what it does. Just explaining right. What means it for yeah. Edge color. Edge color means a black. I just shown in the previous session itself. And legend is a very important. You want to do difference between the alias and bobs. You can use the legend. You can use the PLT the text also, right? And the autumn is good. I just want to test the matplotlib to give the which to where to start and where to end the second bar. As giving them bob is equal to alias count. Alias count means it's a main. I also explain this code again. It's going here. I just want to explain this, right? Yeah, where, yeah, this here. Build that bar bottom is equal to alias count means alias count is in the bottom. Alias count is in the bottom. I just want the label Bob in the top. Okay, that's the basic intuition taken about here. Now let's get into the another session. If you like this video, if you find this video useful, please make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please stay hydrated, have some notes, have some water, open your code editor, just follow my code. You can able to completely crack the interview. So, okay, now let's go stick on to the next session. Talk about the box plot. You have already completed the different kinds of bar plot. Now let's talk about the box plot. So it is a little packed info, packed rectangles. It's like a rectangles. It contains a lot of information. I just told the visual representation also. Sorry guys. Sorry. Perfect. It's a little packed info, packed rectangles that shows how data is spread out. It shows the minimum, maximum, median. So it's a little packed info. So what is meant by the box plot? So the box plot, also called as the box and whisker plot. It's not a whisker, box and whisker. Nobody can tell about that, but KishoreLytics tells. Box and whisker plot shows you the minimum, the lowest value, the median, and the maximum value. I told about that it's a little info packed rectangles. It's a little info packed rectangles. So I just told right. It shows the lowest value. It shows the highest value. It shows the median value. How the values are spread out. It can be the any outliers. How it can unusual points. So I just want to show the examples in the simple example. I'll show it. Okay. It's a great for spotting patterns and comparing. What's the use cases? Just note on the use cases. It's great for the spotting the patterns and comparing the groups. First one to comparing the what's a mark with many of the parents compass our friends mark with ours. So just use they can be used there. They can I just get the parents can use box plot. It's great for the spotting the patterns and comparing the groups or detecting the odd values. Okay, fine. Now what I'm gonna do that I just explain all of this code. Okay, now what I'm gonna do that I just explain. Let's take an example. It was my course and my friend's course. But you think I just named my as Alex and my friend's name is Bob. Imagine, just imagine. I just imagine. Yeah, my Tamil mark is 70, English mark is 85, maths mark is 90, and science mark is 95, social mark is 100. Okay, it's like a 10 subject. Many of the subject doesn't have. Okay, as Bob score is Tamil mark is 60 and 65, 75, 80, 85. A similar range. Okay, marks this just a number. Don't worry about that. I just don't want to take the number, but for explaining you, I just take a number. So marks is just a number. Play with the skills. If you have the skill, enough skills, you can able to survive anywhere. Mark is just a number. It's key point to enter into the interview. That's all about that. So just explain all of these codes in the Jupyter notebook. Afterwards, let's come into. First of all, we want to know how to read the box plot, right? Know the box plot. How to read the box plot? See, first of all, this is how does the box plot looks like means just like how the box plot looks like. First of all, it shows the maximum value. It shows the maximum value at the top cap bit is the maximum value. At the lowest cap, it shows the minimum value, and in the center, it's called the red line. It's called the median value, and in the box, the box is the middle 50%. It shows the maximum value, minimum value. Box is the 50%. Center is the median value, and this line is called the whisker value. And I just told right, box and whisker plot. It just say box and whisker plot. I just explain all these concepts in visuals itself. I just getting into my Jupyter notebook. See, this is how looks the. This is the cap, and this is the maximum value. This is the minimum value. This is the median value, and this is the 50% of the box. Okay, I just told right. I just want to explain this all of this code in the Jupyter notebook. First of all, let's talk about the code. I just want to printing the using the matplotlib because we are plotting the graphs. So I just using the import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. And data I was told right. Alex score is 70, 85, 90, 95, 100, and the Bob score is 60, 65, 75, 80, 85. Okay, and I just put it into the dictionary. In a single dictionary, it's called a data. Data is equal to it's not a dictionary. It's called a list. Alex score, comma box score. I'm just creating the box plot, right? PLT dot box plot of data. As giving the data to this. It will here in this node, the node on the point. I is giving the I just not giving the x and y. I just giving only the data. I just want to see the labels, right? Labels means I just see the labels. These are the labels. Yeah, labels is equal to Alex and Bob. Patch artist. I just explain this code. Patch artist is equal to true means. I just explain all of these codes. Patch artist is equal to true means allows the box to be filled with color. Otherwise, it would be jump. Otherwise, it would be jump to be empty. Just now, you want to fill the box with colors. You want to give the patch artist is equal to true. These are the parameters inside the box plot. Just note it down. Box plot is equal to data, comma labels is equal to Alex, comma Bob, and patch artist is equal to true. If I want to fill the colors with true colors, right? Just say giving the true. And box prop, I just giving the explain this all of this in the technical terms in this notepad. I just coming with what happened. Yeah, box prop of dict controls how much the box itself looks. It controls the how much the box looks. See how it controls the how the box looks. Just giving that. I just giving box is equal to face color is equal to sky blue. I just controlling right. I just want in the face color is equal to sky blue and the color edge color. It's called the edge color is equal to black. and the medium prop means the median color. It's a median color. I just want it in the red color. Median prop is equal to dict of as giving a dict. Why means because I just giving it both the color and the edge color also. So I just giving the color is equal to let and the line width is equal to 2. Okay, and the whisker. What's the meaning of the whisker? The whisker is it's like a stick. It looks like the stick, right? It's called the whisker. The pop is equal to dict of color is equal to gray. And the cap props. Cap means the maximum value and the minimum value. That's why I just want in the black color. Right, these are the parameters which can be given inside the box plot. Okay, just able to understand. We can able to, right? We are giving the data and the labels and the patch artist. I just want to fill the colors inside the box. I just giving the patch artist and the box prop and the box prop, median prop, whisper prop. It's come in the hierarchy. First I want the box and inside the median I is giving the whisker, so that only I give the cap prop, box prop, median prop, whisker prop, cap prop. Okay, plt.title. I just want to give the title. Everything similar to everything is similar to the bar chart. plt.title is equal to text score comparison. Font size is equal to 16. Font weight is equal to bold. As still right. plt.yLabel. I just want to give the yLabel is equal to score. And plt.grid. Grid means it's called the grid. Grid lines. Axis is equal to y. See, there is a lines looks like I think able to see. I think so. Yeah, axis is equal to y and line style is equal to these are the lines I just shown with my mouse cursor. Yeah, and the alpha I just give a transparency is equal to 0.525. I just want to adjust the space. I just giving a plt.title. So I just want to show to you. So I just giving a plt.show. Why the warnings are showing means just not importing the warnings. There is also the model called the warnings. We can able to ignore the warnings also. I hope everything will be fine. I'm just getting into my I just want to give the summary. Box plot is a great for showing the data spreads, how the data spreads across the numbers. Use plt. The main is plt.boxplot, and we can able to customize the colors, labels, lines for better clarity. Each box shows minimum 25 minimum, median 725, 75 max. Here the maximum value. This box is a middle 25 50 percentage and this is a 25 percentage is a minimum value and it is a median value. I explain all of the things. I just want to recollect it to recollect in your mind also. I just giving first of all we are importing. I just giving the Alex score and Bob score and we are converting into the data in a single list and giving the using a plt.boxplot, right? And giving the data and giving the labels and patch adjustment. I just want to fill the colors with the fill the box with the colors. So just giving the patch artist is equal to true. And again I just want to patch box prop, median prop, whisker prop, cap prop. These are the four characteristics I want to give into the box plot. I just giving the plt.title and just giving the plt.yLabel and giving the plt. Everything is similar to everything. I just recollect it. Okay, I hope everything goes fine. And this was my box plot video, box plot session. And in the next session we are discussing with the histogram. It's also similar to I just creating the hierarchic model. First of all, we are seeing the bar chart, box plot. It looks similar. It looks similar to this, right? Box plot, bar chart, box plot, and Histogram. Yeah, it's not Instagram. It's histogram. Okay, fine. After seeing the Instagram, we are discussing about the pie chart. So that's all in this for this session. I hope everything I will tell about the box plot clearly and in a simple way. So let's get into the another session. Let's learn about the Histogram. A fun way to see the how data is spread out. Yeah, fun way. It's like a fun way, right? It's wait a minute. Yeah, it's like a fun way how the data is spread out. It's like starting the toys into the bins and counting how many toys in each box. So I just explain all of them in the later. Let's learn about the Instagram. Before getting into the Instagram, we want to learn something called the bins. So what is meant in the bins? It's like a group by. You learn about the SQL, right? It's like a bins. We are grouping the category. We are in the I group by the category by 10 to 20. They are called the teenage, and 20 to they are called the youngsters, and before after 50 to 80 they are senior aged persons, right? So that's like Instagram with group buying it. So for example, Instagram shows how often values appear in the different ranges. It's called the bins. So before the bins is very important in the Instagram. Instagram means bins. Bins is equal to Instagram. what is Histogram means? Histogram shows how often values appear in different ranges. How often values appears in the different ranges bins. Okay. So for example, let's take up the all my friends Tamil's mark. Okay. Score is equal to 45, 56, 67, 67. Again the friend my again my he copies from I think he copies from before friend. 67, 67, 68, 70, 72, 73, 75, 88, 92, 95. And next one. There are many persons. I just take some amount of the range. The Histogram tells how many scores fall into the ranges like. It tells like 40 to 50 how many persons, and 51 to 60 how many persons, and 61 to 70 how many persons. Just like I just explain this code. I just afterwards I just first of all I just show before getting into the code. This is how the Histogram looks like. Now I just explain this code. Okay, I just explain this code in my Jupyter notebook itself. So I just importing the. We are using the matplotlib. Of course, we are using the matplotlib. So I want to import the matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, and it's giving the scores. Scores is equal to 45, 56, 67, and again the values. So for creating the Histogram, note it down. For creating the Histogram, plt.ist of scores is equal to bins is equal to 5, colors is equal to light blue, edge color is equal to black. I'm giving the scores, and scores are this data, and bins how many category. It's like how many category 41 to 60. So 50 there are one person. That's like bins is equal to 50, colors is I just want the color is equal to light blue, and the edge color is equal to black. So that's like, and I just want to give the title to the distribution of test scores. Font size I just giving the title, and just I just want the font size is equal to 16, and the font weight is equal to bold. You can be able to remember, right? You can able to remember, right? And plt.x label is equal to scores range. As giving the x label is equal to range. Everything, yeah, in the every session I just talk about the plt.title, x label, and y label. And I just want to adjust the size and just want to bring the grid rate. Grid means there is a lines between them. I just want to show to you, so only I am printing a plt.grid axis equal to y, line style is equal to alpha. I just giving the transparency, it is not visible, but if you focus on this line, I can able to see, but in this video you can able to see, I don't know. Fine. So I just want to see the plt.title layout, so the plot plt.title layout and plt.show. I think explain this code is very simple. It's like a simple plt.Histogram makes the Histogram scores the data wants to sort and count. Okay, and the bins is equal to finds makes the data into 5 groups. It's in the 5 groups like it's like 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 61 to 70. That's like it will print, and everything is similar to the bar plot, box plot. Like think of it like you can have the 12 scores. I want to group by 40 to 50, and 40, 55, 51 to 60 there are one person's 56 mark getting the 56 mark, and 61 to 70 range that is the average range that they are getting, the 3 persons are getting 67, 67 and 68. So there are 3 persons, so only their bar comes as 3. Wait a minute, yeah, the bar comes as 3. And where's my notepad? Yeah, I just want to give the summary to you for just like how the it will groups. It will group the 60, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 61 to 70, 71 to 80, 81 to 100. It's like using a summary. I use the plt.ist for Histogram. It's the main part. I just want to tell again plt.ist. If you want to plot it, the Histogram plt.ist. Data gets grouped into bins. We are grouping it. We are grouping the category based on the category 40 to 50, 51 to 60, 61 to 70, 71 to 80, 81 to 100. Great for seeing the distribution of numbers. It will be useful for great for distribution, how the data is distributed along the numbers. We can able to customize the colors, outlines, grids, etc. You can play with it. I just explained in the first section itself. You just want to make it down, so we can able to play with any of this, right? I just explained what is the Histogram. As I want to recollect it. What does mean the Histogram means? Histogram shows after values. It's a distribution of the colors. We can able to distribute it. That's called the bins. So how to make the Histogram plt.ist, and everything is similar. I think everything will be similar. So now let's take on to the next session. In the next session, we are excited to see about the pie chart. So let's go it. Yes, guys. Now let's learn about the pie chart. So it's just like a tasty pies. Have you taste Lati pie, Lati choco pie? Many vending machines have the Lati choco pie. It's 10 rupees, right? That's how the shapes looks like. That's a pie chart. Yeah, it's time for the pie chart. They are like the tasty pies. So that shows how a world is divided into parts. of a whole is divided into parts. Okay, just explain all of the things. So what is in the pie chart? It shows the percentage or the proportions of the total. Each slice represents a part. It shows when the interviewer asks means what is in the pie chart? Tell something of the pie chart. If the interviewers ask, so a pie chart shows the percentage or the proportions of the total. Each slices represents a part. Every single slice represents a plot. So a pie chart shows the percentage or the proportions. So for example, let's take an example. For example, you had the 4 apples, 3 bananas, 2 grapes this week. The pie shows how much of the fruit was applied apples versus bananas versus grapes. It shows that that's like that. A pie chart when the interviewer asks means percentages are the proportions of the total. You can able to I think you can able to see this pie chart in the 12th itself. You can able to see that in the English and anything. I just forgot about that. You can able to see that. I think so. So it's a full pie chart with the labels and colors and percentage. I just showing. So I just first importing the I'm just using the import matplotlib.plot and just using the fruits is equal to apples, bananas, grapes. I just want to see which are the highest percentage. So I just using the count is equal to 4, 3, 2. I just eat 4 apples, 3 bananas, 2 grapes. So and the what's the apple of the color of the apple? It's red, right? What's the color of the bananas? It's yellow. What's the color of the grapes? It's purple. I just want to show that make note of it. It's a if you want to make the pie chart, that's pie chart means plt.py. Plt.py means the pie chart has been made. I just giving the counts. I just want to give the percentage rates. I just giving the counts. Counts is makes the round and labels will divide the slides. Divide the slices into the percentages. Counts, labels, fruits. Okay, I think so. I hope everything will be color. I just want to colors is equal to colors. Colors means I just want the red color in the red color. Auto PCT means it shows the percentage with decimals. It shows a percentage. So just make note of it. We are introducing another word called the auto PCT. Auto PCT means percentage. It shows the percentage with 1 decimal. I just showing all of this in the practical session. So I just want to start angle is equal to 90 degree. Then what's the meaning of 90 degree? It is the clock 12 when the clock points to 12. It's a 90 degree, and if it will enter into the that's a 360 degree, right? Sorry, it's a 180 degree. I think so. I just forgot about the max also. What happened to me? I just forgetting all, but I am strong in technical. Okay, auto PCT is equal to just giving the percentage and start angle is equal to I just start at the 90 degree and just want to show the shadow. So giving the uses to the privileges to the adding a short shadow that makes a good visual. So I just adding the shadow is equal to true. I just want to explode. Explode means pull out the apple. I just showed pull out the apple into the draw. Slice a bit. It's it will slice it. It will when the cake comes out, right. When we get the cake, it will comes out like the slice, right. That's like explode. Just remember about the cake when you think read the explode. So I just making the title and fruits. I made this big. Just giving the font size is equal to 16 and the font weight is equal to bold. I just giving the plt.axis equal. Make the chart a circle. Sometimes it will look like oval. I just want it in the circle face. Maybe Earth looks like a oval. I think so. I just want in the circle. So that is giving the plt.axis equal. I just show it plt.title layout and just want to plt.show. I just copy this code. I just copy entire this code. I just want to copy entire this code and I just paste in this Jupyter notebook. Okay, see the apple has been pulled out. That's called the explode. You can see the soft shadow. It's also right. Soft shadow. How visuals looks right. It's pretty good, right? I think I like this visuals pie chart. So in the next in following the pie chart, I just explain the donut chart also. But we cannot directly add the donut chart in the matplotlib. But we can we know how to make the donut chart. Now how to convert the pie chart into the donuts, I will explain on the following by the pie chart. What happened to my mouth? It's rolling. So import matplotlib.pylt. I just giving the fruits is equal to apple, bananas, grapes. I just read 4 apples and 3 bananas, 2 grapes, and as giving the red, yellow colors of the fruits, and giving the plt using the plt.py to make the chart of the pie. Okay, fine. I just using a counts and labels is equal to labels. These are the labels. Okay, I think so. These are the labels. Yeah, I doesn't think so. It's a confirm a label. and the colors is equal to colors. I just want to see the colors, right? So on the autopcity means the autopcity is just shows the percentage with decimals, and the start angle is equal to 90 degree. I just want to start angle by 90 degree, so that I just using the start angle is equal to 90 degree, and the shadow is equal to true. I just showing the shadow. The start angle is 90 degree, and the shadow we want to show the soft shadow. So explode means the apple only want to, so only I just giving the apple only 0.1. If you want to 0.1, give the 0.2 the banana means the banana is comes right a bit. I'm just doing a title and just showing the axis. It's like looks like a circle. I'm just showing right. Here the title layout. It's memory of all of the things because it will be reverting. I think you will memory now. So I think everything will be fine up till this. Up to this, everything will be clear, right? Now I just explain all of this code, right? And for example, if you get 4 apples, 3 bananas, 2 grapes, total 9 fruits, then apple is equal to 440. It will convert the 44.4%, and bananas is equal to 33.3%, and grapes is equal to 22.2%. It's calculated by mind. So these are the summary. I just want to give the summary to the pie chart. Pie chart shows a part of whole. If when the interviewer asks means part proportional or the part of the whole, you would just be able to remember Kishore tell about right like this, right? Pie chart shows the part of the whole. Use the auto PCT to show the numbers between the numbers. So see, these are the numbers. Okay, wait for a minute. These are the numbers, right? Auto PCT. These are the numbers. So make use of it and use the expert to highlight the slices. Highlight the slices means which are the slices have the most number of the pieces, right? Now highlight the slices. It's good for which? Good for visualizing the proportion at a glance. Good for it's good. What the use means? It's good for visualizing the proportions at a glance. So I hope everything I covered about the pie chart. Now let's look at about the donut chart. And it's just a part of the pie chart, but same idea. The pie chart but a little fancy and a clean looking. So when many of the Tamil guys and Telugu guys knows about the Meduvadai, there is a hole in between the pie chart. It's a round circle, right? That's like the donut chart. So I hope everything about Meduvadai. If you don't know means just check about the Meduvadai. Just type in the Google, you can able to see. So what is a donut chart? A donut chart shows a part of hole, just like the part, but a hole within the center. Just a hole within the center. I just want to see my mobile. What's happened? Yeah, the git video is ready. You can able to before seeing this video you can able to get the git video. So what happened to my mobile? It gets okay, fine, everything will be fine. Now let's get into it. And what is a donut chart? So donut chart is a part of the whole but a whole within the center of the center. Sorry, a center of a circle. This whole can be used to add a title in the middle. Add a title in the middle. You can able to add a title in wait where's my mouse? Add a title in the middle. Just makes it prettier. It is similar to pie chart, but if you make the want to prettier look, that's you can able to do it with this. So again I copy this code. I just already written the code. If you only want to write the code after by seeing this video, giving all of this, copying this video, copying this code, I just getting into my Jupyter notebook, I just paste it here. So I just explain this code. I'm just using the import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. I'm just using matplotlib, so I'm importing giving the analysis name as PLT. And same again the same, the fruits, apples, bananas, grapes, and counts is equal to 432. It gets boring for me. Why I am explaining again and again, because within a single terms, within a single topic, we can able to cover the matplotlib crash course, right? It's like I'm just using there is no donut chart in the matplotlib. You can able to get the in the cban. I just explain the cban in the next video. So plt.py of counts labels is equal to fruits, and so labels is equal to fruits. I'm giving the fruits, and colors is equal to colors. I'm just giving the colors, and auto pct means the fruits just like the percentage. I just want to see the percentage. I'm just using the percentage 0.1.1 f. So make note of it. This is a very important for the pie chart. Using make use of the pie chart. So for the start angle, I just want to start between the 90 degree, and again the which this is the main part. This makes a donut hole which props. So in the previous session we discussed about the median props. I think so. This yeah, median props, whisker props, cap props. Are you able to understand, guys? So that's like now we are seeing the which props. Which props is equal to width 0.5. I just want to in the center. I just want the width is equal to 0.5, and this shadow. I just want the shadow to make a better look. I was giving the plt text inside the circle, optional, but add a title in the middle using a plt text. I just want to show how what are the parameters can be used in the donut chart. I am just giving the PLT dot text of 0, 0 total width. I just want to insert this total fruits. H means, yeah, are you able to understand? Horizontal alignment. I just want in the center. VA means vertical alignment. That's also in the center. I'm just giving the first of all I just run this code to make able to see. See total fruits. You can able to see, right. Center VA is equal to center. Font size I just want in the center. Weight is equal to bold. I'm giving the title fruits I ate this week, and PLT dot axis means I just want in the it's similar to looks like a magnet, but it's look like a medvadai. Yeah, many Tamil guys and Telugu guys knows about it. Yeah, many Indians are India everyone knows about it, but the language differs. PLT the title fruits ate this week, font size is equal to 16, font weight is equal to bold, and PLT dot axis is equal to I just want in the circle shape, so I'm giving the make sure it's a circle. So if I didn't use it, it will become the oval. So I just giving just want to give the same PLT dot title yet and PLT dot show. So I hope everything will be fine. This is the pie chart for making the donut chart in the one single line. Wedge prop is equal to width. I just want to give the width, so only it will make the center. In the center we can able to PLT using the PLT dot text. You can able to 0 comma it's aligning 0 comma 0 means the center point. You can able to see the in the circle and the we can the radius, I think so, yeah, radius, it's between the radius, right, in the center point to this point in the center 0 comma 0 means the center point. So 0 comma 0 total fruits I just want in the total, and the next line I just giving the fruits, and I just want in the center, so I just giving a horizontal center and the vertical center I just wrote in the middle. So I just want in the not in the top, not in the bottom, not in the right, and not in the left. I just want in the center. So I'm giving the HA is equal to center, VA is equal to center, as giving the font size is equal to 12. So the font size becomes 12. I hope everything will be fine, right? I just explaining. I just want to give the summary. Here also there is a 44% and the total for total in the center total fruits. I hope everything will be fine for this pie chart and donut chart. I explained this code. The donut chart is not in the course, but I explained the how the pie chart can be turned into the donut chart. I hope subscribe to the KishoreLytics channel. If you find this video useful, please make sure to share with your friends. Your friends also can able to get this knowledge about the make use of it, and it can be able to add in the resume. It's a valuable course. It's a course for the data analysts, and many of the data scientists and data analysts must know about this value course. So in the next section, we are discussing about the Violin chart, and we are discussing so many charts in the RAW for this video. So please make sure to have some water, take some break, make some note of it, open your code editor, grab some coffee. So please make if you want these notes, they are available in the GitHub link that are in the description box. So let's get into the Violin plot. Yes, guys. So far we have covered the 4 charts. What are the 4 charts? The bar plot, box plot, pie chart, and again the I forgot Histogram. In the pie chart, we are discussing about the 2 types: pie chart and the donut chart. Now we are looking about the violin chart. Have you ever looked the violin, the music instrument? That's like they are like the box plot, but the cool twist. They show the shape of the data. They show the it looks like it's similar to the violin. It looks like similar to the shape of the violin. It shows the shape of the data. So first of all, we want to know when the interviewer asks the violin chart. First, we want to tell about the violin chart, right? So just for theory knowledge, what is the violin chart? The violin chart shows the distribution and the spread and the shape of your data. When the interviewer asks about what is meant with the violin chart, so the distribution and the spread of the shape of your data. Distribution and the spread and the shape of your data. So that's like it shows the median, quartiles, and density. It shows the median, quartiles, and density. Like it's if you remember in the mind, the box plot a sideways smooth Instagram. A box plot a sideways smooth. A sideways means it's a sideways. It's look like a sideways smooth Instagram. It's great when you compare the two how different datas are spread it out just like their average. It shows the median, right? What is median? The median. Just want to know about the basic static knowledge before getting into Python. Before getting into any course any course. So but the median is the average. It's the number of the sum of the numbers and divided by in numbers, sum of the total number of numbers. So it's like the medians and quartiles and density. Density means how much of the numbers fall into some category. That's like, so for example, let's take a 2% scores, Alice scores and Bob scores, and 70, 85, 90. The Alice scores are 70, 80, 90, 85, 90, 95, 100, 100, 100. The box scores is 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. So I just want to full code with box plot. I just go getting into my Jupyter notebook. I just explain all of these things in the Jupyter notebook. Now let's get into, yeah. In this, I just want to print it. So this like this how this it's nothing looks like a violin chart, but it's gives the shape of it, right? That's why it's called the scientist and researchers PhD persons with named about the pie chart. So import matplotlib, we are using the import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT as giving the alias course and Bob's course and just giving merging it. Data is equal to alias course and Bob's course. I just want to see PLT.violin plot. So violin plot I am just using, make a note of it. PLT.violin plot is equal to data. Show means true. Show means I just want to show your here. Yeah, show means is equal to true means draw a little dot for the mean. Show medians is equal to true means show a lines for the middle score. Show extrema means density, top and bottom points is equal to min and max values. It's clearly that xt means labels is under the values. Grid, just remember about it. Now let's get into it. See, we are giving that show means show medians and show extrema. So likewise this p and xtix means it's Alex and Bob, and title I just want to give the title to the everything is similar to this bar plot, back plot, chart, pie chart, and I just want to see the everyone. I think I can able to see these grid lines, and just, I don't know you can able to see this, but if you focus on this video like this, you can able to see the grid lines. And PLT that grid axis is equal to y, and then I just giving the line style and everything is similar. PLT that tight layout is equal to tight layout, and just want to PLT that show. I hope everything will be fine. I just running this code again. Yeah, the same output will be shown. As explaining PLT.violin plot data show means if you want to see the median, so yeah, median extrema. So how to read the box plot? So why it's called a violin? Because it looks like a violin. The wider is shape. The wider the shape, it looks like a violin. The most goes here. Most goes falls under the center. So as some now let's learn just yeah, now let's jazz your Violin plot with more advanced features like horizontal layout, custom more groups like 3 students instead of 2. I just want to give the all of the features like horizontal layout, custom colors, more groups. I just want to give it. So I just remove by this. As importing that, I'm just using the matplotlib, right? I just want to import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. As giving the alias course is equal to 70, 85, 90, 95, 100, 100, 100. The box course, I just introducing another new my friend called Carol. Carol 50, 55, 60, 62, 65, 68, 70. I'm just merging it. Data is equal to alias course, Bob's course, Carol's course. First of all, I just want to introduce another technique. Make note of it. It is a very important one. Many of the when you're middling in the machine learning model, you can't use the subplots. I'll show it afterwards. First of all, I just want to show how the subplots works like. I just entered already in my notebook. Entering into it. Wait for a few minutes. The subplots looks like this. We are building it, right? That's like yeah. Wait a minute. Yeah, I just get the code from this. Yeah. Oh, where's my I just explained the figure AXC figure a field that subplot means 8 comma 5. I just explained creating a horizontal plot, right? Subplot means in one chart we can be able to get the 3 charts, right? That's like a subplot. Figure comma AX is equal to just memorize this is a very important line. I've seen a lot of machine learning model. This line is very important. Just make note of it. So I just creating the parts is equal to x dot violin plot. I'm just creating if you see, if you note on, I don't know, I think you can able to remember, I don't know. See, before if we want to print it, we directly only giving the any variable, but here we are giving a variable. Are you able to notice? Everyone notice? Please make a comment in the comment section. So part is equal to x dot violin chart. I'm just giving the data. Vertical is equal to false means vertical is equal to false. I just want the horizontal, right? So I'm just giving the horizontal. Show means I just want the mean, medians, extrema. I'm giving and the colors. These are the color codes. You can able to write red, green, blue. Again the so for trying the different colors. What are the possibilities? I just want to explain, right? So I'm just using the color code. As is the color code from the internet, you can also able to get the color code from the internet. Red color FF 4 nines and 99 FF 99 it's green and 49999 FF it means the blue. So I just want to enumerate the bodies. right? So I'm just giving the for I PC in enumerate of parts of bodies. It's in the parts of bodies. So just getting into it. It's a parts of bodies, the like the carols. So I just explain this here. So yeah, I explained it. For I in PC, as getting the two variables, I'm using the two pointers. It's a two enumerate of parts of bodies. Bodies means it's getting into the ally score, bob score, carol score, and this is getting the set face colors is equal face colors. I just want the face colors. I just want the face colors is edge of I. I just want to see these colors. See, yeah, red, green, blue. See, red, green, blue. Right. I just it's purple. I think so. I'll say re-mentioned it. So red, green. It's not in the red. It's a light tangent red. Okay. So make note of it. Yeah. For I in PC, enumerate of parts of bodies. For I in enumerate of parts of bodies, I just want to see the colors of I. I just want to keep the all the colors to apply into this allies, bobs and goes and style the other parts. Mean median. For key in C means C medians, C maxes, C means. I just want to color it. Like set colors is equal to black and means this like mean, median, max. As I setting it color to the black and parts of keys I just setting to line with why. Wait for a minute. I just why I am writing the code again already means because it's taking many hours of taking the video. So for entering, if I just made a enter error, it takes many of the time. So it's just disturbing you guys, right? So I just clear already write in the code. So afterwards I just come into it. Okay. So that's for the reason. So nothing personal. So just for the reason making for I just make many errors. For many errors only means I get the got skill of debugging, right? So only got error. So I just correct the error. I just came back to you. I just explain all of the codes, the line by line. Even you can able to ask even if I missed a line, just ask me a comment. I'm happy to share everything. If key in parts, I just explaining key in parts. Key in parts means C medians and C maxes and C means the key in parts and the parts of the keys I explain in the key parts is called black. If you can able to style anything, but many of the using if you use it in if you explain to the stakeholders, many of the maybe you can use, maybe it depends on the usage, right? I just setting the labels ix dot set y ticks of 1 2 3 and x 1 2 3 carol x ticks. This is called the white x ticks and y labels is equal to alex bob carols and titles again the titles and the grids and titles and show. So that's all about that. And I just explain all of this code, explain clearly, right? So that's all about that. I just want to give you a summary of you. I'm making a recollect. So this is the advanced version. How to make a chart beautiful means see now see the charts looks like very well, right? So this just like import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT and just doing the Alice course and Bob's course and Carol's course and just giving the data and using I just want to do three plots in a single plot, right? I'm just using a figure AX PLT dot subplot. Parts means AX while I'm just using the AX plot. I'm just for vertical false means I just want in the horizontal plot. So this I'm making the vertical false. So I'm just styling in that course, styling the violin plant. That's all about that. And in the next session, we are seeing the line chart. So that's a makes sense. That's a very important and the basic charts, right? So let's get into it. Yes, guys. So far we have completed the 5 charts. Great, right? We have completed the bar chart, Instagram, and violin chart, and I forgot the pie chart. And in the pie chart, we are discussing about the donut chart also. So far, we are completed these 5 charts. It's a very so far we are completed half of the way. So there are remaining 5 charts and how to save the charts, and I just mingle it in the video itself. So so far now in this session we are discussing about the plot. Plot is equal to line chart. So when the PLD.plot, I just explained in the first session, giving a brief intro of the matplotlib. We have explained the PLD.plot, right? Explain, right? PLD.plot is equal to line chart. So great, make note of it. Now let's learn about the most basic and it's a classic chart in matplotlib. The line chart made using a PLD.plot. I just explained, right? What does mean the PLD.plot? When the interviewer asks, PLD.plot is used to draw lines and connecting points, perfect for it's perfect for showing trends over time and connecting data points and make quick graphics. Okay, quick graphs. So that's all about the PLD.plot. And the interviewer asks about means PLD.plot is used to draw lines, connecting points. Connecting points were perfect for showing trends, connecting data points, and waiting quick graphs. I explain all of this code in the Jupyter notebook, and so far that's all about this. And yeah, you can able to convert. I explain is now. Let's jump into the Jupyter notebook. Now I'm using the matplotlib, right? So I'm just importing. As I explained again and again, it's making me more, but I just want to tell again and again because it's a concept. It's in the course, right? Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt and it's giving the text is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just giving a let's okay. It's getting bore means I just explain with some stories. Let's go back to the school days. So they conduct the before the revision test. They conduct the cyclic test, right? There are in my school they take the 5 testers, five cyclic testers. I just consider this as my marks. I just not bad about my marks. I'm good at marks, right? So marks is equal to 65, 70, 72, 68, 65. In the first test, I get the 65. In the second test, I get the 70. In the third test, I get the 72. In the fourth test, I get the mark for reduced. It's a 68. And again, my father scold, and again I get the 75 mark. It's a top mark. Okay, it's a students. I just rolled in the explain this code, and now I want to show my graph to my father to show my report how my marks just turned up after scolding, before scolding and after scolding. I just want to show, right? So only giving period plot of test marks, period giving that x-axis, y-axis, and I just want the line color is equal to blue. You can able to make the red, green, anything, and the markers showing the data points. If I just told, right, you can able to change the markers is equal to 0 star anything. Markers is equal to 0, show data at each point. The line style means the dashed lines. I just want the dashed lines is equal to hyphen hyphen. The line with the width of the line is the line thickness. It's like you can able to play with the numbers. You play with the numbers. Just from this video, I just make it line width is equal to 2, and just giving the marker size is equal to 8, the dot size, and the label is equal to the student A. The student, I just want to, the student name means the Kishore, right? The Kishore A is the student A, the label for the legend. So just again that we are getting in the again and again we are getting the title, the test performance over time, giving the font size is equal to 16 and the font weight is equal to bold, and this giving the plt.x label text numbers and plt.y label is equal to marks and giving, and plt.grid. I just want to show the grid, right? Plt.grid is equal to true and the line style is equal to hyphen hyphen alpha is equal to 0.5. I just want to give the legend, so I just giving the plt.legend, and again I want to show the plot plt.typeplot and plt.show. I just running this code to show this. Wait for a few minutes. Yeah, you can able to see my marks are down and again get and increase, and after I just play with my friends, afterwards gone down, and my father told about the studies, more important than the studies. I just read back and again I go to the top of the mark, I get the first mark. So these are the legends I just told, right? Now you can able to connect with the story. Is this boring, right? It's a when you see the pictures you can able to get the energy. I think in my point of view I get the energy whenever I see these visuals. So I think everything is covered. So I just recollect it. I is giving the x-axis, y-axis. In the first test, I get the 65. In the second test, 70. Third test, 72. Fourth test, 68. Fifth test, 75. I just making the plot plt.plot. Plt.plot is equal to line style, line chart. Plt.plot. I'm just giving the x, y. Color means I just want in the blue color. So this, you can be able to play with these colors also. So marker is equal to hyphen hyphen, line width is equal to 2, marker size is equal to 8, and the mark size is equal to 8, student A, label is equal to student A. As a branding, like everything is similar to previous charts, right? You can also able to customize the making the multi-line chart, like just call the PLT chart again and again with the new data. You can able to plot it. That's your part. I was giving the homework to you guys. This is a big video. I was just want to create the remaining 4 charts of it, and I just want to create the work with the how to work with the legends also. I just told, right? Use different colors and styles for each line. Use different colors and styles, okay? And save the plot with pld.save. You can able to save the plot. And I just want to give the summary. And this is the end of this line plot. pld.plot is that you are go to for the line graph. If you want the line graph, pld.plot. It's great for that. I just saw, right? It's that when whatever the time life goes up and life goes down. It's the time series and trends and connecting dots. It's like connecting dots. We can able to customize with the colors and markers, styles and legends. That's all about the video. In the next session, we are discussing about the interesting chart. That's the scatter chart and the most advanced chart. Right? Let's get into it. Yes, guys. If you're fine, I just start with the another chart. Yeah, it's a scatter chart. So what is mean the scatter chart? Scatter plot. It's not a scatter. Yeah, this mistake I have made in my Streamlit video also. What is a scatter plot? It's not a scatter chart. It's a scatter plot. A scatter plot puts a dot on a graph to show how two variables relate. How two variables relate. When the interviewer asks the what means, a scatter plot puts, where's my cursor? Yeah, scatter plots puts dots on a graph. It puts a dot on a graph to show how two variables relate. How two variables relate with it. So I just explained the examples also. Just now, it's so when the interviewer asks means how put dots. It puts dots on a graph. It puts a dot on a graph to show how two variables relate. How two variables relate. So each dot is like a person. It may be a person. It may be the item. It may be the things. It may be the two measurements. If we want to compare it, right? Height versus weight. So let's talk about the many more examples in the later sessions. And now let's have the height of the students and the weight of the students. You want to compare, you plot the height versus weight. So that's like marks with the studies hours. This is like your plot height versus weight. Each student becomes a dot on the graph. Right. I just explained this code in my Jupyter notebook. I just opened my Jupyter notebook. I just using the import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT and giving the height is equal to 150, 160, 165, 170, 75, 180, 185, and weight is equal to 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Right, I just comparing height versus weight, and PLT dot scatter. I just giving the heights, weights, and color. I just want to giving the x, y, and giving the color. I just want in the dot colors in the green. So I just giving the colors is equal to green. You can play with the colors also. Size is equal to size of the dots, and the size of the dots is equal to 100. You can also play with the numbers also. So I just want to give the markers is equal to draw O means a dot, maybe the O. You can play with the diamond, anything, right? Alpha is equal to 0.7 and is giving the transparency is equal to alpha is equal to 0.7 and the edge color is equal to black. I just want the edge color is equal to black as giving the labels is equal to students. Again, everything is similar to the again previous charts as giving the title period. As my mouth was pain. Yeah. Continuously I'm recording the video, my mouth was paining. PLT dot. Okay, fine. It's for you only, guys. Please make sure to subscribe to the KishoreLytics channel. PLT dot title, height versus weight of the students, as giving the font size is equal to 16, font weight is equal to bold. As giving the PLT dot x label, as giving the height centimeter, as giving the y label, and as giving the y label x label. You can able to remember, right? And giving the PLT dot grid of true, as giving the line style is equal to hyphen alpha, as giving the transparency is equal to, you can able to remember. It's run it afterwards. Yeah, see, you can able to see the remember grid lines, like just the grid line. PLT that legend means this is the legend, and I just want to show the legend. So only is giving, and I just want to show the plot, right? PLT that type plot and PLT that show. So this is the size of the 100. I just giving the size is S is equal to 100. The size of the plot and markers is equal to O. You can able to play as right. I told right. Yeah, you can able to play the stars also. You can able to play with the diamonds stuff with the internet. Make sure of this. And now what can we have to do? I just want to give the summary. So only what is for the right. So what's the use of the scatter plot? Scatter plots are perfect when you want to see the relationship. Thus height affects weight. There's the clusters and the other different groups. When you get into the Skykit line, we can able to remember. So relationship means the height affects weight, and as clusters are different groups. Other different groups and outliers. We want to find the outliers in the machine learning concepts. So just for remember the scatter plot, make master the scatter plot. Now let's get into the another chart like the stack chart. So that's it for the video. Then let's get into the next session. Yes, guys. In this session, we are discussing about we are breakdowning the three cool types of the plots in matplotlib. What are the three charts? Stack plot, stem plot, step plot. So what is mean the stack plot? It's like a stacked area chart. In Power BI, you can able to see the stacked area chart, right? It's like an area chart. And stem plot, it's a stick or a dot plot. It's just showing the plot also. and step it's a, and there is like as a name itself, it's like it's a step, a staircase plot. So first I'll discuss about the stack plot and later stem and later step. Okay, so all are useful for different types of the data. I will explain like I will explain the way like you are just starting with baby friendly examples and codes. Okay, all are the different types and different types of the charts, right? I was explaining build that stack plot. What's the use of the stack plot? So use when you want to show how parts contributed to a total over time. You want to you have studied the, let's take an example. Just don't watch the screen, just watch my pace. You are studying the you are it's a machine learning problem also. You are studying for 9 hours, you get pass. You study for 6 hours, you get pay to play 8 hours, you get failed. That's like if you want to show the how parts contributed to total over time, you can use the build stack plot. So for this I just explained in this code. So it shows the explanation how time is divided into the activities. How time is divided into the activities in each day. Each layer is stacked on the top of the layer. Colors and labels make it prettier and readable. Now let's get in the Jupyter notebook and make detail of this chart. So I'm just using the matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. So I just giving three activities: days, reading. I just giving the five. Total I taking the 5 days. I'm giving the using the reading, coding, and gaming. This is using that. And for the first day I read 30 and 40, 50, 20, 30, and the coding 20, 30, 25. Just make don't make the yes of don't take it's like a minutes. Okay, 40, 30, 40, and gaming 10, 20, 15, 10, and 20. Right. I just want to show the stacked plot, right? As using the period.stack plot of days and reading, coding, gaming. As using reading, coding, gaming. As giving the labels. Labels means these are the labels. As giving the labels, right? Labels is equal to reading, coding, gaming. I just want to see the colors, right? Sky blue, light green, salmon. Yeah, I found the color. Just salmon. It's salmon. Salmon we want to see the transparency. So I just using alpha is equal to 0.8, and again the same block of the code again repeats. PLT the title. I just want to see time spent on activities. I just want to see in the 16 font size. So just making x label is equal to day and y label is equal to minutes. Just follow my cursor. I just want to see the legend. Log is equal to, I just want to see tell this may be in the next session. PLT.legend log is equal to upper left and PLT.grid is equal to true. I just want to see the grid lines. Yeah, can you able to see the grid lines, right? I just showing right grid lines. Line style is equal to hyphen and giving the transparency. I just want to lightly transparency, so it's means 0.3. I just again the right layout and show. So I just able to clearly I just tell clearly about this chart. I just again rerunning this code. Wait, the yeah, stack chart is nothing but this area chart. It's like you can place it above and stack it on above top of the other, right? Like guys, just like that. And the second plot chart is like the stem, a dot or the stick plot. I just want to show the plot, right? Before getting into explaining these things, I just want to before explaining things, I just want to show. So just alt tab is going into this. I'm just placing this cell. Okay. Just want to run it afterwards only we can able to see. Yeah, these are the step plot. Stem plot is looks like right like this. Many of the easy students were able to like this. Okay, wait a minute. Yes guys, this is how the stem plot looks like. So I just want to explain this code. Afterwards I just explain the about the stem plot. Import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT as giving the just the numbers as giving the 1 2 3 and x and giving a set of numbers to the y labels as the PLT for plotting the PLT.stem and just giving the PLT.stem and giving the x label, x axis, y axis, and giving the line formats. Line formats means these are the line formats. What happened to this? Okay, PLT that line formats is equal to gray. It's a gray line and stick colors, and the marker format is equal to RO. RO means the dot color and the shape. The base format is equal to K. The base format means the baseline. The baseline. I just want to explain it also. The base where I just write it. I just remember to write. Yeah, baseline is K. K equal to means black. baseline is a K and it's a black. Great for showing the spice and discrete mathematics. When you when you are an EC student, you can able to remember the signals and systems. You can able to remember right discrete signals, right? That's a stem plot. In yeah, I can able to remember because I am an EC student. I can able to remember about the stem plot, and the stem plot is yeah, always also in the signals and system subjects. It's in the first lesson. I think I remember it. Yeah, now I can able to remember right things, right, guys? So what is an interesting stem plot? It uses when you want to show the discrete spices. Discrete. Yeah, I just told right in the discrete signals also only. It's like a show the discrete spices in the data. You can able to use this. It's like a pulses or the pointing values, just like that. I just told right. I just explain all of this code. I just making this very clearly. I just running again for you running this. Okay, you can able to see this plot right. Again these are the blinds. K equal to black means baseline. The base format is equal to K. The base format, these are the black. So PLD.stem, I'm giving the X, Y, the line format. For the line format, I just want in the gray, and the mark format is equal to RO means R for red color and O for the marker. Marker format, R for the red color, and just make note of it, R for the red color and O for the marker, and base format is equal to K. As giving the PLD.title stem plot example, as giving the font size is equal to 16. And giving the x-axis, this is the x-axis, and just want to giving the x-axis and giving the y label, and give again the same code again and again. Explains PLD.grid. I just want to see the grid lines, so I'm just using the PLD.grid and just want to see the lines by hyphen, and the transparency is 0.5. So I just want to see the PLD.title layout is equal, so for showing you PLD.title layout and explain this all of this, right? Now let's get into the final plot. That's a step, and the name itself suggests is a step. So it's the use case about the step is the when the value changes in the time, like levels. Yeah, I just complete the level 1 and day 5 and just come into the level 50. That's like levels, prices, and switching signals. This also causes discrete. This is similar to the step plot. Many of the persons confuses about the stem plot and step plot. It's both different, but both are in a that's a discrete. It's I think it's continuous. If continuous, it's continuous, right? I just copy this code. For as this I can already write this code, right? I already write this code. I just I just want to get into my Chrome. I just paste it. Yeah. Now I'm just running this code, right? Just running this code. You can able to see these are the continuous signals. I just told right the continuous signals. Okay, so for this the import, I just import I am just using the matplotlib.pyplot as PLT as giving the data is equal to X. Just remember this number, just able to you can able to work with the real world data sets also, like Iris and Titanic, I think so, Titanic, and many of the data sets are available in the matplotlib also. You can able to remember one of the library wait for a minute, I just remember it. I just add in the notebook reference.matplot box. I just worked with library data input data sets in Seaborn. Just now you can able to work with the numbers. It's good for the numbers also. Matplotlib is good for numbers. Seaborn is more advanced for the Matplotlib. Okay, for getting a step plan, failed that step. I'm just giving the x, y, and where is equal to mid means other options. We can use the pre and the post. Where is equal to mid? Why I'm explaining this in my notebook only. Where is equal to mid means step happens in the middle. Step happens in the middle only. I just note one in the, you can able to add this like pre, it's like a step, post, pre, post two. You can play with these numbers. I was explaining. Where is equal to mid means step happens in the middle. I show it right. Step happens in the middle only. It will becomes again. It will be an enter. So step happens in the middle. I just want color in the red, purple color. I'm a big fan of the purple, so I'm using a purple. I just the line width is equal to single and label is equal to signal means I just it's like a pulse signal, right? You can able to see in the hospitals also. So just using the PLT that step x y where is equal to mid and color is equal to purple. The parameters are the x y where is equal to mid. You can also use the pre and post. Also just play with it. I just want to show pre. Let me put pre. You can able to pre. See, these are the pre before getting it. So I just want to into middle. So just using the middle. Okay. Here. Okay. Fine. Now what I'm gonna do? What happened? Wait for a few minutes. Okay, it's good. Smooth. That's all about that. You can be able to use them pre and post. Just play with the numbers. Okay. I just want to show the summary table. Stack plot. Stack plot is a stacked area plot, and it shows the part built total over time. Shows how parts built total over time. And the step plot is a dot plot plus stick plot. Stick. It's like a lollipop chart. Lollipop. I just plan a table course also. You can able to see the tab lollipop chart in the table course. Dot plus stick plot. Dot like marries a circle. That's like a lollipop. So just it like that. Dot plus stick plot. Discrete spikes are the signals. And the step plot is equal to stepwise signals like the decimal changes like stairs and switches and like the pulses also, right? So far we are completing all of the charts from I just completed 10 charts from for now. There are many of charts available in the matplotlib. For now, this is the many important charts. These are the charts that can be used wide and oftenly. Right. So far we are completed the box plot, bar plot, Instagram plot, pie chart, violin chart, plot, line chart. That's the line chart. Scatter plot, stem plot, step plot, and stem stack plot. So that's all I think. So far we are completed. So far, guys, see, I just write. This is my 1 week course. One week from for 1 week I just write in 939 lines. It's a big Guinness record. I think for me it's a Guinness record for me. So far we are completed, and in the next session we is how to work with the legends. That's up for the matplotlib course. So let's discuss in the next session. Yes, guys. Now, in this session, we are discussing about the legends. We are discussing so many charts in the previous sessions. Now, how to work with the legends, how to make the legends beautiful. The legends will explain the labels of the data, a series of the plots, like student A, student B. I just told right. In the previous examples, also we just labels like time signals. That's like a simple legends example. I just explain in this with my notebook. So these are the numbers. I can plot a simple line plot. I'm giving the lines x comma y1 and labels squares and color equal to blue. I just want in the blue color. So just using the square. These are the lines. You can able to master it, and there are the many possibilities to work with this. I just come with an many work possibilities. So what are the possibilities, right? You can place it using the log. LOC. Log means it's a location. You can place it best. I just recommend you to best. It's automatic auto best. Okay. You can place it in the upper right. You can place in the upper left and lower right, center left, center right, and many things. There are many things you can be able to place. And another styling, you can use the extra styling also. PSC using the framing means add a box. If you give the give the parameters is equal framing is equal to true means you can add a box. And shadow you can add I just told you the build the pie chart, right? We can able to soft shadow to this. That's possible. And title, yeah, that's like adding a label is equal to in each plot. You can able to see give the users to read the data with very carefully. That's up for this matplotlib course. If you find this video useful, please make sure to share with your friends and subscribe to the KishoreLytics channel. Tata, bye bye.